Hello, and welcome to the second part of our webinar for Direct Print and Share. During this session, we'll demonstrate how to upload a file to Google Cloud and revise a print set. We'll also show you how you can share a file in order to collaborate and inform users when a new file has been uploaded to your Google Docs account. First, we're going to open the Cloud Service Integration button from our existing set of files that we have built in the previous session. This screen will give us the option of uploading the sets of files, this set of files, to Google Docs, or we can download the file or a file to a list and add to our print-ready set. But first we must log in to Google Drive and in order to access our Drive folders. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in. From this screen we'll see that all of our sign-in settings have been saved from a previous session, and we can simply just log in because I've remembered the password. Click OK. And now I'm logging in to the Cloud Service Integration application that's built into Direct Print and Share. Google Drive is a free web-based application that we can use for transferring and sharing files. A Google account can be created prior to signing on, and Google gives us 5 gigabytes of free storage to use. You can purchase additional storage by contacting Google. Now here we see a number of project folders that have been created over here. Let's open the CAD folder and check for its contents. You can see I have a couple of subfolders here, but I'll click on the CAD folder itself, and inside of here you see that I have a file named First Floor Plan, First Floor Architectural Plan. Let's go ahead and select that plan. Once the file has been selected, we can download it to our print-ready set. So I'm going to go ahead and click Download. And now you can see that that file, the download destination from the Google account, and it's downloading into our First Floor Architectural set of files that we've created. Now we could tag this file, select Closed, and we can see that this file has been added to our set and it's ready to print. In this next session, we're going to demonstrate how to share a file or a full set of files with someone via email using the tools within the DPS application. So I'm going to click back into my Cloud Service Integration application. It's going to refresh my screen. As it's refreshing, we'll see here that we have a number of files that are ready to upload into the Google Cloud. From this menu, I'm going to untag all of the files that were in my previous set because I'm only going to upload one file. I'm going to upload the city base map file. I'll click that. Now we can select the Share settings when uploading. This will open a new dialog and allow us to enter individual email addresses. Once entered, these recipients will get an email from our Google Docs account notifying them that a new file has been uploaded into the file folder, and they may view the file and download its contents if they wish. So from here we're going to select Upload, and we get a user name of an email account that's been typed in here before. I'll simply highlight it, and again from here I could add others or just simply click OK, and it's going to log me into my mfpm40@gmail.com. It's actually going to share this file with that email address. Now once it's done, we can see the actual file, and after it's been completely uploaded, we'll see that the file view has been refreshed and the contents will be in our Google's folder. So this is actually uploading. Just take a few seconds to completely upload into the Google Cloud. It's now refreshing our view. And you can see now in my destination folder I have the city base map ANSI D-size plot PDF file. Now, I've already shared this with that Gmail address. So let's go ahead and open the Gmail account and view the actual email that was sent. Here we have the email that was sent to the Gmail account, and you can see here, I'm going to click on this, and it says Canon MPF Cloud Google Drive has shared an item with you, city base map ANSI D plot. I'm going to go ahead and now open the file so we can see a quick preview of the file. And there we can see that the file is completely uploaded. And from this window I can simply click print, and then it will go directly to my print driver settings, and I can go ahead and select any printer that I have loaded on my network. So I can select a 6450 here and print directly to that. Now from this window I can also save the file, but keep in mind that this is a demonstration on how a field user can see the file on their smartphone, laptop, or PDF device. So now we'll simply go ahead and close this application. And we're going to go ahead now and close the direct print and share. It'll automatically log us out, and we'll exit the application here. This will, all registered files will clear from the registered file list upon exiting the application. We'll simply click yes. And now I'm logged out of Google account, and I've also cleared my predicated print queue from everything that I'm going to send. This concludes our demonstration of the sharing application that resides within the Canon Direct Print Share tool.